Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to collaborate on Airtable bases, your full 2025 guide. Firstly, you'll need to open your desired base on Airtable. This is the foundation of your project, where all the magic begins. Now that we've done that, you'll find an option titled Share at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. The reason we do this is because this is where you can invite your team members to collaborate on your base. Next up, you'll notice a pop-up window. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of your teammates. This helps us because it allows us to directly invite our collaborators into the base. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you ensure that your team members receive an invitation to join your project, which they can accept at their convenience. After your teammates have been added, you can assign roles to each member. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each role gives specific rights to the user, like editing, commenting, or only viewing the base. This is a crucial step because it helps in maintaining the integrity and security of your data. Now, the last step is to click on the Send Invites button. And voila, you've successfully invited your team to collaborate on your Airtable base. This step is the final action that triggers the invitation emails to your team. In conclusion, collaborating on Airtable bases is a straightforward process. You open your base, share it with your team, assign roles, and send invites. It's that simple and efficient. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, collaboration is the key to success in any project. Until next time, keep sharing, keep collaborating,